Welcome back. I'm E.Reap and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today we have another random Twitter cop, man. If you haven't done so already, check out the review I did on these Muslin threes. Super crazy. But yeah, so I'm scrolling through Twitter. Luckily, I have a list or like a shoe list. Twitter like recommended it. Like, hey, do you want to group all the shoe links or like sneaker, Twitter, whatever in like one spot on your timeline? I was like, yeah, for sure. Man, that was like the best thing that could have happened to me. Well, best and worst, because now everything is like literally in one spot. So the pockets. But yeah, so randomly scrolling. I believe these were on. I got these off of Fresh Rags or from Fresh Rags. So they tweeted these, and like the colorway is crazy. And this particular silhouette, or particular shoe model, I guess brand, I haven't copped since Legends was open. And if you know anything about Legends, you know they've been closed for like 4 or 5 years now, maybe. I'm not sure. But it's definitely not a silhouette or like a brand that you see often. They're definitely coming with a lot of crazy colorways, I see. So I don't know, maybe people are starting to rock with this brand again. But I like them personally. Like, I try to be different, you know. Don't want to get the same thing that everybody has all the time. Sometimes you gotta find your own lane. But check out the box. Boom, you got the Saucony logo, Saucony Originals, size 12. It's the Grid Azura 2000. So this is the first model. I usually get the Saucony Shadows. Those are like my go-to style, but this Azura 2000 is something new for me. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, Saucony. I know a lot of people say Saucony, so, but according to the website, the correct pronunciation of the company name is Saucony. So, fun fact, if you care about it, if you don't, you know, it is what it is. I'm not getting paid for them either way. But yeah, boom. I think the official colorway or the nickname is like the Changing Tides or something about a tide changing. I don't know. But it reminds me of like a Air Max, like a late 90s, maybe early 2000s, like an Air Max colorway. So I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and hop on it. So get y'all a close up so you can see all the colors and the details and everything before I jump into it for the official review. So yeah, starting off, you have a suede, or I guess it would be a nubuck. I'm not sure what Saucony calls it, if you know. But I'm definitely gonna go with like a nubuck or a short hair suede, but I'm pretty sure it's nubuck. So you have a sand or khaki color new overlay. And then you have, okay, you got the navy nylon right there by the Saucony logo, which is dope. And then you have the nylon wrapping around the upper. And then we get to the back, you get some more nubuck and that navy colorway. Definitely a nice mix of materials. Oh, and you also have like mesh up here as well. So they have what, navy yeah, navy mesh, navy nylon, and like a navy a nubuck. So that's pretty dope. Different materials. It's nice to have a shoe with like, it's like the details, you know, different, like the craftsmanship that goes into it. If you can get 3 different materials on one shoe and it doesn't look crazy, that's a big W in my book. And then you have not quite I guess it's like a red orange or something, like a light maroon maybe on the toe box, and it wraps around to the heel. What else? Then you have I guess it'll be considered gold. You have the gold Saucony logo right there, and it's like plastic. You can see that translucent plastic. You know, you get that little gloss on it. And then anything? Oh yeah, you have a teal suede. Hold on, see, you can see that teal suede starting at the front of the shoe, and once it wraps around to the back, it turns into like a canvas stripe. If you can see that, if it's focusing. So it goes from like suede or nubuck to canvas. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, that's pretty much it for all the colors and the materials on this shoe. And then you get the Saucony embossed on that tongue as well, and gold. Let's see, was it the focus? So that stands out, and then you have that red Saucony insole with the gold lettering. But yeah, this shoe right here is definitely gonna turn some heads. I'm really excited to actually like break these out as well as my older pairs of Sauconys because it's been so long since I actually touched them. And getting a new silhouette from like a brand that a lot of people don't really wear or they don't really go after. But I'm telling you, man, if you're not afraid to try something different, between Asics and Saucony, they have a lot of dope colorways, dope models. I know Asics is going crazy with the collabs. I'm not sure if Saucony does a lot of collabs, but I'm definitely gonna look into it because this colorway, man, is crazy to say the least. And then the outsole. Oh, so I guess it's considered a running shoe. It looks like an Air Max like TN plus or whatever with the bottom, and then you get the grid. I don't know if the grid is the actual cushioning system or the technology, this whatever, or if it's just like the model. But it's crazy to see that the grid on the bottom, like that, like it'd be like a one of the specs, like one of the the air unit or something. That's pretty dope. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to wearing these. Like I said, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Are you a fan of Saucony or Asics? Do you just stick with the mainstream brands, I guess? But with me, I'm all over the place. If I like it, I don't care if it's Saucony, Reebok, Asics, Puma, whatever. I'm copping if I like it. Yeah. Definitely want to stand in the collection. Hopefully, no, I'm not even gonna say that because I don't want to keep. I don't want to go too crazy, but yeah, this grid model, the Azura Grid 2000, is definitely on my radar now. Appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all next one.